Croeso I wersyll yr Caerdydd, come in. Welcome to the Urdd Centre, the Urdd City Sleepover here in the Wales Millennium Centre gives an opportunity for 150 people to stay. It's purpose built for young people, so safety isn't an issue. There's closed circuit television, you need cars to get into your rooms and corridors and things like that. And it also gives loads of space for people to relax, go for meals, and also, of course, we've got the bedrooms. The Urdd is the largest youth organisation in Wales, the biggest in a single country in Europe. It's got the biggest arts festival for young people throughout Europe. It's also the biggest sports provider in Europe, and we also have residential centres throughout Wales. We have an outdoor activity centre in North Wales called Alun. We've got an activity centre in West Wales called Llandranog. There's also a smaller centre in Pentre-Ifan in Pembrokeshire, and this is the newest centre we have. The first one we've opened for 50 years, which gives people the opportunity to stay right in the centre of Cardiff Bay and in this fantastic building, the Wales Millennium Centre. Okay, and here we are in the refectory. Everybody who comes here gets to eat here as well. The food is prepared in the Millennium Centre, in the kitchens, that does all the hospitality and all that kind of thing. After that, everybody here, when they arrive, they get a cooked breakfast, a cooked evening meal. Usually it's a packed lunch because groups are often out during the day doing different activities. Okay, we've plenty of space here in the centre, so it's ideal for school groups, choirs, or as we've got here at the moment, orchestras, of course. Here I am outside the Urdd Hall or Theatre. This is a great space for choirs, dancing, drama. There's a sprung floor here, full light rig. We can turn the place into a theatre as well, 150 seat theatre. It's also at the moment being used, of course, for an orchestra. And then in the evenings, this is where we have the discos. And here we are in the bedrooms, the most important place for the young people that stay here usually. All the rooms these days, no sleeping bags or anything like that. There's quilts. All the rooms are en suites. And this is where people usually have the midnight feasts.
It's goodbye for now, and come and see us at the Urdd City Sleepover as soon as you can.